Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Beginner's Guide. Today I'm going to show you a website that I have created with the help of simple JavaScript. I've not used React, I've not used Vue.js, I've not used anything. I've just used simple JavaScript. Of course, there are some jQuery libraries that I have used to create this particular website. Apart from that one, I have used some CSS library to create these animations. For example, as you can see them here, this is a home page. So this is two arrows. When I hover on these arrows, there is a nice background color for both the back arrow and the front arrow. When I click on this one, you will see there is some nice animations for the background. Even the image has been changed. So when I click again, so for these things I have used some CSS libraries. I will show you what libraries I have used in order to create this home page with this background nice animations. Here, as you can see them here, this website that I have created is fully responsive. When I minimize the screen, as you can see them here, the nice hamburger symbol here. So when you click this one, it is going to bring you the menus. When you click services, it's going to take you to the services. Go there again. When you click contact, it's going to take us to the contact. So you can see them here. When you click them to home, it's still going to take us to the home page. And then if you can notice one thing again, let me go there. I click here about. Here you can see there is an up arrow, right? When you click this one, it's going to take us back to the home page. Let me click here. As you can see them here, it has taken me to the home page. So this is what I have designed. Let me show you how does this one look like, right? Initially you can see some nice animations in the background, and then even the text is been moving, right, with some animations. When I hover on these buttons, I'm sure that you have noticed even the background color has been changed, right? So if you click the about button, it's going to take us to the about page where I have managed to put some information about this website that I have created, named called Tech Solutions, and what we do in the Tech Solutions. So when you go to the services tab, it's going to tell us the services that we provide, whatever the services that we have. When you go to the team, it's going to show us the team that we have. So here I have got 4 images with different designations, but when I hover on the image, it's going to bring some nice animation with the social media link. So this is fully responsive. So when you click here, you will see there is some nice background color in the back. So even here, when you hover on each image, this is going to give us the link for the social media for that particular person. So when I scroll down a bit, here we go, there is working with us, contact us. Then when you come down our portfolio, what we do actually, this is a all section. When you click all section, it's going to tell us what we exactly do in our company name called Tech Solution. Actually, this is not my company according to this design that I have created, right? So this is all. So when you hover on each images, there is some nice sliding information about that particular image. When you go to the development, it's just going to bring what we have done in the development. And then when you go to the design, it's going to give us the designs that we have. When you go to the Photoshop, you see the images has been changing, and then when you hover on the image, there is some sliding information about that image, right? So when you come down there, this is a testimonial page where people have said something about the Tech Solutions. So you have seen that every after a second there is a quotes that are coming from each person, right? So when you go down there, this is a contact section. This is a contact information, and this is a form in case if you want to submit the feedback. Unfortunately, I have not worked on the back end, so when you submit your information, it's not going to give you any feedback on you submitting the information, but I have done the form validation. What do I mean to say form validation? In case if you don't enter any of these details, it's going to give us an error. As you can see them here, these fields are like a must. You have to enter the details. If you don't enter the details, it's going to give us the alert saying this is what required for each of these fields. So for example, here I'm just going to enter my name. Let me just go to the contact. So here I'm going to enter my name, valid email address. In case if I enter something like say like this, and then let's say subject I'm typing something, message I'm typing something, this email address is not the valid email address, right? So in case if I try to submit this one, it says that include art in the email address, because this is what I have done in the validation part. In case if you miss this field without typing anything, still when you click this one, it's going to tell us saying please enter a valid email address. Otherwise, when you reach the last page, down there I have got a nice footer section saying about e-text solutions, information, Instagram page, and then the copyright things with a nice social media links. So if you want to go back to the home page, you can click either home, or you can use this up arrow which can take us back to the home page, right? Again, I have got a progress circular bar down there, as you can see them here, before the team section. Here if you want to subscribe, you can enter the email address, click subscribe. Again down there, when you want to contact us, click contact us. It would take us to the contact us page. This is what I have done with the use of simple JavaScript. Of course, there is some jQuery as I mentioned, and some CSS libraries in order to do these sliding effects. So let me just show you the code. As you can see them here, these are all the CSS libraries that I have used in order to do these sliding effects and those stuff. And then down there, let me show you the jQuery libraries that I have used. So as I said, these are some jQuery libraries. I hope I have told you earlier, maybe I don't have forgotten. I've used Bootstrap to create this awesome website. I hope some of you have already come across with Bootstrap. If you don't know, please try to watch some tutorial on how to use Bootstrap. This time around, there is a lot we can do with Bootstrap. If you're not comfortable with Bootstrap, you can even use Material UI, different things. You can use styled components with React. But here I have used Bootstrap. But if you're not comfortable with Bootstrap, you can use anything. But otherwise, this is an awesome website that I have created. Let me know if you need a full tutorial on how to create this website through comment section, so that I will teach you everything that you need to know. Before that, don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video, and subscribe the channel if you have not yet subscribed. Thank you so much.